So this lesson talking about surface and then volume. So we are going to use computer in the theoretical part of the lesson to make a drawing. So this is the step 3 of the physical lesson. I remind that I have divided every physical lesson by 5 parts. The first part, that is the research. Second part is the theoretical. The 3 and 4 parts are computing. The third part is drawing, and then the fourth part is calculation. As the last part is the practice. So what that's about, here we are going to draw circumference, perimeter, and then a surface, and then a box, a volume. The first one will be a cylinder, a circle. So here I can draw a circle. The student can use easily this application to draw a circle. It's very easy. I just make the center, and then I have to give the diameter or the radius to have the dimension of this circle. Very easy. We can even do it in primary. So after that, I'm going to draw a rectangular. This is very important because it gives a good feeling to the kids, as they can imagine it, they can innovate, and then they can create their own object in physics. They can, during the research time, they can bring a surface and a box to the school. Now they have to draw what they bring from their home to a school on the computer. That's very, very important. So these are the circumference. This is the circumference of the circle, and then this is also the circumference of the box. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the circumference to a surface. Okay, we are moving to circumference to a surface. Okay, so I turn this to become a surface, and then I turn also the circle to become a surface. Okay, as you can see it, I have two elements. Okay, now I don't have only the perimeter, but I have the surface here. I can calculate it, as I know the length and the width. I can calculate it here. Also I can calculate the surface of this circle. Now I'm going to turn the two elements to become solids, as you have to calculate the volume of a solid. Okay, so this is the next step. So I just turn these elements to become a cylinder. I give 200 like the height. Look, I have my cylinder. I'm going to do the same thing also for the rectangular surface. This application is very simple. So through training, teachers can know how to use it, even behind a techno-pedagogical team can make this application easy, and the teachers have only they don't really need to know it in detail, but they can use it very simple. I give here 250 for the height, and then I have my my box. So look at these two elements. This is realized by the kids. They will be really they will get confidence in their self. So instead of drawing rectangular and then a surface, I mean perimeter and then surface and then box, I can really draw directly the solid from also with this application. Very simple. So I can draw the box on the first time. Okay, I just give the start parts, and then I give the length of my box in here. I get 150 millimeters. I give the width 200 millimeters, and then I give the height 300 millimeters. I just give the dimension, and then the computer do the rest. Very easy. Okay, so look, this is the box I've just drawn. Now I'm going to do the same thing also for the cylinder. Very simple. So I need to draw a cylinder. Okay, the start point is here. Now I just need to give the diameter. I give 150 like a diameter, and I have to give the height 300 also. Okay, and then I have my cylinder. Now we can use computing this. That's what we are going to use in the next part. We are going to use a special application to calculate the dimension of the surface and then the volume. We are going to do this for the cylinder, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the box also. This kind of application is very important. We get to integrate it in our physics teaching. It can help kids a lot to develop their computer skill, and it's important for development of Africa. Thank you.